Chapter 11, Surface Area and Volume. In this chapter, first we will discuss surface area of cone. So we know what is a cone. So cone, this is a cone. Base is a circular and this is the radius of the cone. This is the height. So this is radius and this is height and this is L, which is slant height. L is slant height. So cone has got two types of area, curved surface area as well as total surface area. You already know what is curved surface area, total surface area. You already learned in grade 8 cubic, cuboid, cylinder. So you know that curved surface area means only this area of this curved part. Total surface area means it will include the circular base area. First, curved surface area or CSA of cone. Curved surface area or CSA of cone is equal to pi r L, where r is the radius, L is the slant height. Now, total surface area TSA is equal to this curved surface area plus area of the base circle, that is pi r square. So here pi and r common. So we can easily write it as pi r into L plus r. Now, so here height is not coming in the area. So curved surface area or total surface area, height is not there. But if height and radius given, we have to find the slant height because this is a right angle triangle. So L is the hypotenuse. So L square in a cone, L square equal to h square plus r square using the Pythagoras property. So using this formula, we can find the slant height if it is not given. So these formulas you have to note down: CSA of cone pi RL, TSA of cone pi r into L plus r, and L square equal to h square plus r square. Now let us move on to the first exercise of this chapter. Exercise 11.1 and pi value to be 22/7. Otherwise, it will be given to use as 3.14. If it is not given, we have to consider it as 22/7. So first question, diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. So what is given here? Diameter of the base, that is D. D equal to 10.5 centimeter. So what will be the radius R? Radius will be half the diameter, that is equal to 10.5/2. No need to divide it and put it as 5.2y. Let it be 10.25 only. That will be easy for you in simplifying. And slant height L is given. L equal to 10 centimeters. So directly we can apply the formula. We have to find curved surface area. So CSA of cone equal to, first try the formula, pi RL. Now substitute the value 22 by 7. R is 10.5 by 2 into L 10. So 2 and 10 we can cancel, or 2 and 22. That will be more easy. 11 and 7, 10.5. 7 into 15 is 105. So this is 10.5, no? So 1.5. So multiply 15 into 11. One decimal place, no. So 16.5. And 16.5, if you multiply with a 10, it will become 165. So 165 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the cone. Clear? Now let us move on to the next question. You can pause the video and note it down and do. Okay. Next question is total surface area. You have to find total surface area meter of the base given. So L equal to 21 meter. Diameter of the base D equal to 24 meter. So R will be D by 2. So 24 by 2, 12 meter. Now TSA. TSA of cone equal to pi RL plus pi R square, or pi R into L plus R. Substitute the value 22 by 7 into R is 12. In bracket, L is 21 plus again R 12. So 22 by 7 into 12 into 21 plus 12, 33. But here nothing is can be cancelled. 7 is not divisible. So you just have to multiply this 22 into 12 into 33. So on multiplying, you will get 8712 divided by 7. So you will get the answer as decimal. So let us see, 1 sevens are 7, 12 sevens are 84, 3, 31, 4 sevens are 28, 3, 32, again 4 sevens are 28, 4, 40. Okay, that will be enough. 1244. If you want, you can one more decimal place you can find. Otherwise, you can leave it like this much meter square. Clear? Now, next question. Question number 3. Area of a cone 308 centimeters square and slant height 14. Find the radius of the base and total surface area. A different question now. What is given? CSA given. CSA of cone which is equal to pi RL. That is given as 308 centimeters square. And slant height given L equal to 14 centimeter. So substitute that L here. You can find R. That is what we have to find first one, radius. So let us substitute. 22 by 7 into R into 14 equal to 308. So in this chapter, the most important fact is how you are simplifying. That is most important because you need to simplify in an easy method so that you can complete it in fast. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. So how to simplify fast in a quick way, in an easy way. So here 714, wherever possible, cut first. So 22 into 2. No need to multiply that. You just keep it as 22 into 2. So 22 into 2 into R, 308. We have to find R. So R you keep in LHS, all other numbers to go other side. So 308 divided by 2 into 22. It will come like this. Now you can simplify it. So here 22, 308 or 2, 308. 2 we can cut first. Okay, let us cut with the 2 first because it's even number. Cut it with the 2. 154. Now 154 divisible by 11, right? Alternate numbers 1 plus 4, 5, 5 minus 5, 0. So divisible by 11. So let us cut it by 11 now. So 11 into 2, 22. Here 14. Again 7. So R equal to 7 centimeter. Very easily we got first part. Okay. Now total surface area. So TSA of cone is what? Pi R into L plus R or pi RL plus pi R square. Pi RL already we know. So I will take that formula. That is pi RL plus pi R square I will take. Because pi RL already I know. This is 308. So I can directly apply that. So 308 plus pi R square. So 22 by 7 into R is 7. 7 into 7. So cut it. 1 7 gone. So 308 plus 22 into 7, 154. Add them. 462, right? Always check 2 times when you get the answer. So 462 centimeters square is the answer. Next. Question number 4. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Let us draw just a figure. Tent. You know what is a tent and all, how to make a tent. Okay. So what all things given here? Height 10 meter. Height of the tent, this height, that is given as 10 meter. Then radius of base 24 meter. Slant height. So using Pythagoras property, slant height. Now cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So cost of canvas means we have to find the curved surface area, not the base, because tent. So you should know tent, the base part is not covered. No. So curved surface area you have to found. So first let us find slant height. So L square is equal to H square plus R square. So H is 10. So 10 square plus R square 24 square. So 100 plus 24 square 576. Adding it you will get 676. 676 is a square number and its square root is 26. So L equal to 26 meter. Now cost of canvas. So first let us find CSA of tent. Pi RL equal to 22 by 7 into R is 24 and L is 26. Now you can see that no number in the numerator is divisible by 7. So leave it like that. Don't divide, multiply all these numbers, then divide it by 7 and make it decimal. Wait, because in the question, what is asked? You are not asked to find the surface area. What is the question? Cost of the canvas. So let us directly move on to that. So cost of canvas is equal to what? CSA into the rate per meter square, that is given as 70. So CSA into 70. So 22 by 7 into 24 into 26 into 70. Now see 7 and 70 you can cut easily. That's all. So these type of common sense and logic you must use whenever you are simplifying. Otherwise, simply your time will go. Okay. So you just have to multiply now 22 into 24 into 26. So that will come up to 13,728. What is this? This is the amount. So rupees 13,728. Next, clear. Question is clear. So whenever you are here, the most important thing is formula applying is everyone know. That is not the problem here. How you are simplifying it very easily. That is the most important part. So next one. Question number 5. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Use pi 3.14. So tarpaulin means it's a rectangular sheet of cloth, right? So this rectangular sheet of cloth is folded and made it into the shape of a cone. Clear? So curved surface area of the cone or the tent, CSA of cone, that means the tent, is equal to area of rectangle, that is the tarpaulin. This you must know. This is very common thing, no? Little common sense only. You can easily know that. So first, what all things are given here? What length of the tarpaulin, width of the tarpaulin given. So area divided by width, you will get length. So first let us find CSA of cone. So what all things are given here? Height given. So h equal to 8 meter. Base radius given. R equal to 6 meter. So what is missing? L is missing because pi r L is the formula. So L we have to find. So using Pythagoras property, L square equal to h square plus r square. So 8 square plus 6 square, 64 plus 36, 100 and root of 100. So L equal to root of 100, which is equal to 10 meter. So slant height we got. Now find CSA. So CSA of tent equal to pi RL, but pi here 3.14. So 3.14 into radius 6, slant height 10. But 3.14 into 6 into 10. So 3.14 when you multiply with whenever a decimal is there and if you have 10 or 100 to multiply, immediately multiply the decimal and remove the decimal first. That's the first thing you have to do. So 3.14 when you multiply with 10, it will become 31.4. Decimal will move one place to the right. 31.4 that into 6. Let it be like that. Okay. This much centimeter square is the area of tent. Now, this is the area of the tarpaulin. So, area of tarpaulin equal to, you can put it, don't multiply now. Don't waste your time by multiplying because we don't need to find the CSA of cone. We have to find the length of tarpaulin. Okay. So, let it be like this. Now, width of the tarpaulin given 3 meter. So, area of the tarpaulin means what? Length into breadth. That is equal to 31.4 into 6. So, length equal to, what will be length? Area divided by breadth. And breadth is given. So, 31.4 into 6 divided by 3. And 3 and 6 you can cut easily. Now multiplying by 2 is very easy, no? Simply multiply. So we will get 62.8 meter square. So this is the length, not meter square, meter only, sorry. Not meter square, this is not area, length. So length of the tarpaulin is 62.8. And what is given here? Extra length of the material, that is 20 centimeter. So that also to be considered. So we need to, the length of the tarpaulin should be what? So length of tarpaulin equal to 62.8 meter plus 20 centimeter. So meter and centimeter we cannot add. So 20 centimeter we will convert it into meter. Centimeter to meter what? 100 centimeter 1 meter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So from smaller unit to bigger unit conversion, always division. Bigger unit to smaller unit, multiplication. So you have to divide by 100. So 20 centimeter equal to 20 by 100. Two decimal place, 10 you can cut. So 0.2 meter. So this is 62.8 meter plus 0.2 meter. Adding 0.8, 0.2 adding, it will become 1. So 63 meter required. The required length of the tarpaulin is 63 meter. Clear? Very, very important question. Very, 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 very important question. So now note down. Next, question number 6. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb. Tomb, you know? What is tomb? Tomb means it's a monument, especially built when some famous personalities, king and all, those who ruled when after their death, for their memory, uh, something build, no, that is called the tomb. നമ്മൾ ശവകുടീരം എന്നൊക്കെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ പറയാം ടോംബ് യൂഷ്വലി ടോംബ് ആർ ഓൾ സ്ഫിയർ ടൈപ്പ് ആ ഒരു ഷേപ്പിൽ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി സോ ദിസ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ടോംബ് ഓക്കെ നൗ you might have heard Akbar tomb, Jahangir tomb, Tipu Sultan tomb, like that. So many monuments are with the historical importance are there. When you see the history, you can see more in that. Okay, so that is it. So here, slant height is 25 meter. That is L equal to 25 meter and base diameter D equal to 14 meter. So radius equal to 7 meter. Cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. 100 meter square, 210. So what will be the cost for 1 meter square? 210 by 100. For 1 meter square, the cost will be 210 by 100 or 21 by 10 you can. Okay, so first let us find CSA. So L given, R given. That's enough. So CSA of tomb. Pi RL. So 22 by 7 into R is 7. L is 25. So 7, 7 cut. Now 22 into 25. 550 meter square. Now, cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Or you can, so what we have to do? CSA, that is 550 into the rate. 210 by 100. So the 2 zeros easily you can cut. So 55 into 21. So rupees 1155. So here you should not forget into 210 divided by 100. Suppose it is 210 per 10 meter square, then divided by 10. So that's the only thing you have to be careful when you are doing. Clear? Next question. Question number 7. A joker's cap. All of you know what is joker's cap. Whenever we think about cone, the first thing coming in our mind is first is joker's cap, then cone ice cream. These are the two things will come immediately in our mind whenever we think about the shape cone. But joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7, height 24. Find the area of sheet required to make 10 such a cap. But this is something similar to the tarpaulin because no, to make the cone we need sheet. Rectangular sheet, chart paper. Using the chart paper only we will make the cone, no. So, area of, that is curved surface only. Curved surface. Base is not covered, no. Upper curved surface area of the cone, that will be same as area of the sheet. And to 10 such a cap. Upper one cap area, that into 10. So, R is 7 centimeter. Height given. H is 24 centimeter. So, we need to find L. So, L square equal to H square plus R square. So, 24 square plus 7 square. So, 576 plus 49. 625. So, root of 625 is 25. So, L equal to 25 centimeter. Now, let us find CSA of 1 cap pi RL. Now, CSA of 10 caps into 10. So, pi RL into 10. So, in a one step itself, we can do that. But you need to write this formula and these steps. So, 22 by 7 into R is 7, L is 25 into 10. 7, 7 got cut. So, 25 into 22 into 10. So, 25 into 22 in the last problem we have done now, we got 550. But that into 10, so 5,500 centimeter square. So what we have to write, what is the question asked? Question is not the CSA of the cap. Question is area of the sheet required. So that you have to write. So area of sheet required to make 10 caps equal to 5,500 centimeters square. That's all. You have to write it correctly. Otherwise, no, simply you will lose half mark and also what is asked that you have to write. Okay. So that is it. Next step. I think the last question. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. You might have seen in the road and all yellow color, red color, like that. Wherever there is work going on, you can see in the road this type of colorful barricade in the cone shape. Okay. Each cone has a base diameter 40 centimeter, height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? How many cones? 50. Hollow means what? Open. The base is open. That's the meaning of hollow. Pi equal to 3.14, root of 1.04 equal to 1.202 given. Okay. So let us first write what all things are given here. Base diameter given, that is D equal to 40 centimeter. So R equal to 20 centimeter, half of that. And height is 1 meter. So here centimeter, here meter, and see here cost is given rupees 12 per meter square given. So that means we need to find the area in meter square. So this high radius you have to convert into meter. So 20 centimeter is 20 by 100. So 0.2 meter. This you have to use. Now, R is given, H is given. Curved surface area means L needed. So, L square, H square plus R square. So, 1 square plus 0.2 square equal to 1 plus 0.2 square. 2 square is 4. Here 1 decimal place. So square will have into 2 decimal places. So 0.04. So 1 plus 0.04 is 1.04. This is L square. We need L. So L equal to root of 1.04 and that is given as 1.02. We have used that. So 1. Because it's not a perfect square. That's why they have given that one. That much meter. Now let us find CSA of one cone is equal to pi RL. So what will be CSA of 50 cones? We have to find 50 cones. So CSA of 50 cones. Pi RL into 50. Find out. The pi is 3.14 given. Don't forget because no, if you without thinking that if you take 22 by 7 and when you do, you will get the answer but mark will be deducted. So very, very careful when it is given, you have to use that value only. So 3.14 into R equal to 0.2, L equal to 1.02 into 50. So how we can easily simplify this? See, 50 and 2 take together. 50 into 2 is what? 100. But here one decimal place is there, no? So it will become 10. So this will become 3.14 into 1.02 into 10 now. So any of these decimals we can change the decimal place. So 3.14 but 31.4 I can put. 31.4 into 1.02 and this calculation you have to do. That multiplication you just multiply without considering the decimal. Without considering the decimal, you multiply. So when you multiply simply like this, let us see. Easy only. 0, 0, 0, 4, 1, 3. 8, 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, 8. Total how many decimal place? 1, 2, 3 decimal place. So 32.028 centimeter square is the curved surface area of 50 cones. Now, cost of painting. Last step. cost of painting equal to 32.028 32.028 into 12 multiply. So you will get 384.336 rupees. Suppose it is round, you can round it to 384, otherwise you can leave it like this. These calculations have to be done correctly, should not make any careless mistakes. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so next video we will discuss next exercise. Thank you.